Hey everyone, I'm Michelle Prather, exercise therapist and natural health enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're new to my channel, I've been teaching about exercise for over 25 years and natural health for the last 8. Today, it's all about one of the most popular essential oils out there, peppermint. This little bottle is a powerhouse of benefits, and I can't wait to share how I use it in my daily life, especially for getting more energy. If you stick around to the end, you're going to get a chance to download a sweet little ebook where I teach you how to use the top 10 essential oils in your everyday routine. I'll also share a DIY that is great for your feet. Let's kick things off by answering a question you might be wondering. What exactly is peppermint essential oil? Well, it's an aromatic oil that is steam extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant. Have you ever rubbed the leaves of a peppermint plant? The little oil sacs burst when you do, and you get the wonderful uplifting smell of peppermint on your fingers. Peppermint essential oil comes from the leaves of the peppermint plant, a hybrid of watermint and spearmint. It's been cherished since ancient times, even found in Egyptian pyramids dating back to 1000 BC. Now you might be curious about where doTERRA gets its pure peppermint oil. The answer? The lush regions of the Pacific Northwest in the United States, as well as India. Each batch of peppermint oil goes through stringent testing to make sure it's as pure and potent as it gets. The primary chemical components are methyl, methone, and 1,8-cineol. Menthol in particular has energizing and cooling properties and contributes to peppermint oil's ability to promote digestive health, making it a key digestive essential oil. Menthone is responsible for the soothing aspect of the oil, and 1,8-cineol, otherwise known as eucalyptol, provides the respiratory benefits. There are more than 600 published studies on the benefits of peppermint oil, but what's really exciting is that some studies have shown peppermint essential oil can help relieve exercise-induced fatigue. Imagine feeling less tired after your workout just by using this oil. More on this later. So now that we've explored the fascinating journey of peppermint oil from its humble beginnings as a peppermint plant to the beautifully aromatic essential oil, let's shift gears and talk about how to use peppermint oil in your daily life. Let me share with you how peppermint oil has become an indispensable part of my everyday routine. From the moment I wake up to when I wind down for the night, this versatile oil is my go-to for a range of uses. As a mother, I have been on a variety of buses for field trips with my kids, and inevitably someone always gets carsick. I always have my bottle of peppermint oil for nausea with me when it hits. I simply open the bottle and have them take a few deep breaths. The aroma itself is so soothing and helps them feel better almost instantly. I'm sure it has saved us from a few cleanups on the way to our destinations. I talked about this in my lavender video, but it's worth mentioning again here. I have 3 redheaded daughters who have had more than their fair share of sunburns. Relief can be as easy as a mix of a few drops of peppermint and lavender oils in a spray bottle filled with water. It's the perfect cooling spray for those hot summer days. And speaking about cooling you down, I'm at that age where hot flashes sometimes hit, and this spray also works wonders for smoothing out the temperature rise. Did you know that bugs and rodents don't like peppermint oil? It makes sense because the oil sacs contained in the leaves of the peppermint plant are also their protection from predators and pests. Like many families, we love camping, but have to store our trailer for the off-season. I place cotton balls with a few drops of peppermint oil around the trailer and near places where pipes come in from the outside. It keeps those creepy crawlies and rodents away. This is a great tip for how to use peppermint oil for bugs. Many people swear by peppermint for head and neck tension relief. This is how to use essential oils for headaches. I apply it topically on my temples and on the back of my neck when I'm having those rough days. It's like a mini spa moment right in the middle of a busy day. But be careful. The vapors from peppermint can make you cry like you're cutting an onion. It's best to place it well back from your eyes in your hairline at the temples. Can you drink peppermint oil is a question I am often asked. As you know from the many foods and candies that contain peppermint, it is safe to eat, but most foods actually contain an extract and not an actual essential oil, and often synthetic. I love to put peppermint essential oil drops in my brownie batter, in a smoothie, or just in a glass of water when I have an upset stomach or digestive issues. doTERRA has created some easy ways to take peppermint internally, including peppermint soft gels and peppermint beadlets that you can carry around in your purse or bag. It's great for oral health too, and doTERRA has a yummy new Supermint toothpaste that I use every morning and night. Are you feeling a bit sluggish today? Or maybe your mind's a little foggy? Don't worry, inhaling peppermint oil is the perfect pick-me-upper. Just take a quick inhale or pop it into your diffuser. Trust me, it's my personal lifesaver for those mid-afternoon moments when I need a burst of energy or to clear the cobwebs out of my brain. Give it a try with some wild orange essential oil or any citrus oil you have handy for their mood-uplifting properties, and I know you won't regret it. Remember when I mentioned that peppermint could help with exercise-induced fatigue? As someone who's passionate about exercise, I get super excited when I discover an oil that perfectly complements a good workout. A study involving rats showed that inhaling peppermint essential oil powerfully relieved physical exhaustion. I love getting sciencey, but to spare you the technical jargon, the results of one study showed that peppermint, wild orange, clove, and rosemary used aromatically reduced the lactic acid in the blood and improved glucose metabolism. While more research is needed, especially in humans, this is promising for athletes or anyone looking to improve their physical performance. So how can you incorporate peppermint essential oil into your exercise routine? Here are some quick tips. For pre-workout, place a drop of doTERRA peppermint essential oil in your hands. Rub them together and then place them over your mouth and nose and breathe it in. During your workout, you can add a drop to your water bottle for a refreshing workout drink, or keep a roller bottle mixed with peppermint and a carrier oil handy to roll onto your temples or wrists for a quick pick-me-up. I always think about how to get rid of lactic acid in muscles post-workout. Consider a peppermint-infused massage oil to soothe those tired muscles. Always remember to dilute peppermint essential oil with a good quality carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil if you're applying it to your skin, and watch those more sensitive spots. When I was a little girl and I visited my grandparents' house, my favorite thing was to lay on the floor while they were talking with my parents and have them massage my feet. They were into reflexology and taught me about applying pressure to specific pressure points, encouraged the flow of energy, improved circulation, and supported the body's natural ability to heal itself. Today, my grandparents are gone, but I feel like this DIY peppermint foot scrub can give me some of the great effects when I use it on myself. Use 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of coconut oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and mix all the ingredients together and store it in a jar. Use it to scrub your feet for a refreshing spa-like experience at home. Peppermint oil isn't just great for your health and wellness, it's also fantastic for your hair. Peppermint essential oil for hair can stimulate the scalp, encourage hair growth, and even help with dandruff. Known for its cooling and invigorating properties, I add a few drops of peppermint and rosemary or lavender to my shampoo or conditioner once a week. This not only leaves my scalp feeling refreshed, but can also promote healthier, more vibrant hair. Plus, the delightful aroma is an added bonus, leaving my hair smelling fresh and clean. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with just a drop or two and adjust as needed. This natural approach to hair care is just another amazing use for this versatile oil, peppermint essential oil for hair. So there you have it, friends. From relieving nausea and brain fog to potentially helping with exercise-induced fatigue, doTERRA's peppermint essential oil is a great addition to your wellness toolkit. If you're as excited about this oil as I am and want to give it a try, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you get started on your essential oil journey. Don't forget to click the link below to download my free ebook too. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on health, wellness, and essential oils, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be alerted when my next video drops. Until then, take care and be well.